say that.
And information on the process. Could you just look at the camera and say happy 420 CBT UK?
Happy 420 CBT, the guy just said.
He's got that first bomb with him and he's walking about with you know what I mean? I'm gonna find me a song after this is a party song. You know what I mean? Good weed, good wine and nice food, drinks and nice little shard. Black, white, Chinese, cigar, massive kind of others are freedom. But very multicultural. Everyone here on the same ethos of making medical cannabis and cannabis legal. Yeah, and as you can see, it's very. See when I come here and I see so many people. Remember though, some of my people, my friends, most people don't know. It's people I meet for the first time. What? There's one thing of the that is cannabis. The media tries to make us feel like we're all against each other, unnatural. You know what I mean? But when you're in the you know that you hear about certain countries tonight. I wouldn't want to go on holiday there because on the next one, it's not kind of right. So I know the reason I took the big news, all the medicine prescription, stay legal, don't listen to no shit to you. And if you've got any illnesses, back pain, leg pain, anxiety, problems of eating, menopause for women, let's go track. The blood is the way forward. So come on.
Do you think there'll be a bit of tension being told of the afternoon between you guys and the police?
There shouldn't be no tension.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna be there. Watch it. Everyone's gonna say, I'm a small one.
Yeah, just see that.
I studied biblical etymology.
Oh, good deal. Marlon studied science.
You know the Bible?
Nick has studied the philosophers.
The name of the
Big deal.
It's my typical. I didn't read it. So let us continue.
What are you?
Satan, if you want to see the whole world,
Tell us what you are. Tell us how to be saved.
I'm from Yahweh.
Tell us how to be saved. Are you Jewish?
Yahweh.
Are you Jewish?
All who
Are you Jewish? Adonai Israel. Ladies and gentlemen, Yahweh doesn't call himself Yahweh. He calls himself El Shaddai. He calls himself a lot of names. He doesn't only have one name, which is forbidden. It's still that sounds a bit
Women should be able to have motherhood and know that they have enough coming into their bank, like men have that quality right now, in order to support themselves, future generations, their families, without having to worry about a man taking care of them. That's an outdated standard in the ocean. It doesn't.
the man motivates.